Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Sivasadi Gaur Bhakti Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Ram. So we are discussing from Kalyan Kalpataru. So we are the in Kalyan Kalpataru's second branch, Upalabdhi realization. There are three sub-branches of realization. First sub-branch is lamentation, Anutap. Second one is Nirbed. There are 5 songs, so today's fifth one, last one. That is the nature of the misled Siddhadeha. Siddhadeha means perfected spiritual body. শরীরের সুখে মন দেহ জলাঞ্জলি এ দেহ তোমার নয় সিদ্ধ দেহ সাধনের সময় শরীরের সুখে মন দেহ জলাঞ্জলি ও মন for your bodily happiness you are giving up everything. Jalanjali means giving, or jal means water. So if you take some handful of water and throw into the river, so you will not get it again. Jalanjali means giving something with no hope of returning it back. Completely giving. Sharirer sukhe mon deho jalanjali. Oh mind, for your bodily happiness, you are giving everything, giving up. For your bodily happiness, you are giving up. But ye deho tomar noy. This body is not belongs to you. This body is not belongs to you, and you are giving up everything for this body. This body is not belong to you. Baranche shatru hai. On the other hand, it is your enemy. Wow. Body is my enemy? Yes. Baranche shatru hai. This body is your enemy. Especially when Siddha Deha Sadhaner Samay. Especially this body is enemy when for Siddha Deha Sadhaner Samay. If some want to perfect his life in Siddha Deha, for that purpose, this body is obstacle. Badha. It works as an enemy. But with that enemy, for affection with your inimical body, you have given up everything. Sarvada ihar bole rohiyache boli, kintu nahi jano mon, ye sharir achetan, pore roy জীবন বলয় সর্বদা ইহার বলে হইয়াছে বলি বলি means powerful ball means strength boli means powerful you have become powerful by your bodily strength always sarvada always you are so proud for your physical strength. You can see sometimes in billboard there are some pictures bodybuilder. So you are so proud for your body always. Kintu nahi jano mon, oh my mind, but you don't know. This body is achetan. This body actually dead matter. Pore roy jivana boloy. This body jivan boloy. Boloy means circle. Janma mittu jara vidhi. Birth, days, old age and disease. There is a cycle. The body is changing from one cycle to one stage to another stage. And you are foolishly so much proud of your body. দেহের সৌন্দর্য বল নহে চিরদিন অতএব তাহা লয়ে না থাকো গর্বিত হয়ে তোমার প্রতি এই অনুনয় দেহের সৌন্দর্য বল মিন্স স্ট্রেংথ দেহের সৌন্দর্য বল your bodily beauty. The strength of your bodily beauty. Yes. What is the strength of the bodily beauty? By your beauty, you can attract others. So there is a strength, power of a bodily beauty. But that is not Nahi Chirodin. If you think, no, with that, so many people respect me, I am earning so much money, but that is Nahi Chirodin. That will not remain for a long time. There is no record. One Miss World becomes second time also Miss World. There is no such record. So Nahi Chirodin. অতএব তাহা লয়ে না থাকো গর্বিত হয়ে. So please, with this bodily beauty, don't become so much proud. না থাকো গর্বিত হয়ে. Don't become so much proud for this your bodily beauty. তোমার প্রতি এই অনুনয়. Oh mind, is my humble request. Onunai means humble request. Oh my mind, it is my humble request unto you. Don't become so much puffed up or proud of your bodily beauty. শুদ্ধ জীব সিদ্ধ দেহে সদাই নবীন, জড়ীভূত দেহ যোগ, জীবনের কর্মভোগ, জীবের পতন জরাশ্বয়. শুদ্ধ জীব সিদ্ধ দেহ সদাই নবীন. শুদ্ধ জীব, the living entity, the soul in Shuddha Deha, in state, always Naveen, Shadai, always new and fresh. That means soul is eternal and ever fresh. But when that soul becomes Joribhuta Dehojog, when that soul comes in contact with the jara, this matter, Joribhuta Dehojog, this body's matter. When this jara body, when this soul comes in contact with that matter, then jivoner karma, then starts to enjoy or suffer the fruits of his action. Jiver patan jarasha. Jiver patan, in such a way, the living entity, patan means fall down. Thus his pure spiritual life is chopped, as he is rendered insensitive due to enjoying the results of temporary fruitive activities within the shackles of karma. যে পর্যন্ত এ দেহেতে জীবের সঙ্গতি চক্ষুকর্ণ নাসা জিহ্বা তগাদি জড় স্পৃহা জীবে লয়ে করে টানাটান. যে পর্যন্ত, as long as এ দেহেতে জীবের সঙ্গতি, এ দেহেতে in this body জীবের সঙ্গতি, as long as soul remains within the body, যে পর্যন্ত এ দেহেতে জীবের সঙ্গতি, as long as the soul remains in the body there is chakshu, eye, karna, ear, nasha, nose, jibha, tongue, tongue, skin, jara sphere. That means 5 senses. These 5 senses say knowledge acquiring senses. Chakshu, karna, nashika, jibha, tongue. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. Jeev loye kore tanatani. Jeev loye kore tanatani. These 4, 6, 5 things, they make tug of war with the living soul. I will tell you, oh soul, let's go to cinema hall. Ear will say, oh soul, let's go for music. Tongue will say, oh soul, no, don't go there. Let's go to the hotel. There is tug of war. Je porjonto e dehete jiber sange. As long as their soul remains within the body, that long, these senses will make tug of war out of the soul. And soul become helpless. দেখো দেখো ভয়ঙ্কর জীবের দুর্গতি, জীব চায় কৃষ্ণ ভোজি, দেহ জরে যায় মজি, শেষে জীব পাশরে আপন। দেখো দেখো, প্লিজ সি, দেখো দেখো, প্লিজ সি, ভয়ঙ্কর জীবের দুর্গতি, জীবের ভয়ঙ্কর জীবের দুর্গতি মিন্স fearful predicament. Goti means goal. Durgati means opposite of what is called. Durgati means Goti means success and Durgati means failure. And this failure not simple failure, it is bhayankar. Bhayankar means who creates fear. Bhayankar, who gives fear. That type of fall down which creates fear. Just see. The fearful predicament that has befall the conditioned soul. What is that? Jeev chahe Krishna bhoji. Jeev wants. Jeev want to serve Krishna, but unfortunately he attached deho jare jai muj. But that deho jare jai muj. The living entity soul wants to serve Krishna, but unfortunately when he attached to the body, he wants to enjoy the body. Like if a father gives $1 million, bring 1 kg gold, and after going to the market, he brought one kilo potato. So it is how much less intelligent. Bhayankar Durgati, this type of thing. You wasted $1 million for 1 kilo potatoes. Jeev chahe Krishna bhoji. This is Bhayankar Durgati. This is a fearful predicament that soul has fallen down. Like he is supposed to serve Krishna, now he becomes servant of Maya. Sheshe jeev pashare apani. And at the end, he loses his identity. আর কোন জীব জ্বরে করবি সমর, জড়দেহ বিসর্জন, শুদ্ধ জীব প্রবোধন, সমাধি যোগে সাধন। আর কেন জীব জ্বরে করো সমর, সমর means fight. So living entity, why you want to fight with this matter? জড়দেহ বিসর্জন, give up this material world, and siddha deho prabodhan. Think sahaj samadhi yoga sadhana, and it is not difficult. Just give up your attachment to temporary matter and wake up. Your soul, by worshipping the Lord in your natural constitutional ecstatic position as pure spirit, ক্রমে ক্রমে জড়সত্ত্ব হবে অবসর, সিদ্ধ দেহ অনুগত কর দেহ জরাশ্রিত, পরমার্থ না হইবে বাদ. So ক্রমে ক্রমে, if you follow this path, then what will happen? ক্রমে ক্রমে, gradually, জড়সত্ত্ব হইবে অবসর. Gradually, you will become free from this material attachment of the body. You will become attached to your Siddha Deho. Siddha Deho, you will attach to Siddha Deho. And the material influence will gradually slip away. And Paramartha nahaive bad. Paramartha, artha means goal. Paramartha means supreme goal. And there will be no obstacle in getting your ultimate goal of life. Paramartha nahaive bad. Then there will be no obstacle in getting the ultimate goal of life. So now we can summarize. শরীরের সুখে মন দেহ জলাঞ্জলি এ দেহ তোমার নয় বরঞ্চ সত্য হয় ও মাই ডিয়ার মাইন্ড ইউ আর গিভিং আপ এভরিথিং for your bodily pleasure, sense pleasure. Actually you are doing for your body, but this body is your enemy, especially সিদ্ধ দেহ সাধনের সময়, especially সিদ্ধ দেহ সাধনের সময়, আমি especially when want to practice Krishna consciousness. সর্বদা ইহার বলে রহিয়াছ বলি, you are always so proud of your body. কিন্তু নাহি জানো মন এ শরীর অচেতন পরে রয় জীবন বলয়. But you don't know the mind, this body actually is matter, and it is the ultimate goal actually, birth, old age, disease and death. It remains in the cycle. Body will not go with it. দেহের সৌন্দর্য বল নয় চিরদিন, and your bodily beauty also will not remain permanently. অতএব তাহলে না থাকো গর্বিত হয়ে. So please don't become so proud with your physical, your bodily beauty. তোমার প্রতি এই অনুনয়, that is my humble request unto you. শুদ্ধ জীবে শুদ্ধ দেহে সদাই নবীন. This living entity is eternal and pure. জড়ীভূত দেহ জয় যোগ জীবনের কর্মভোগ জীবের পতন জরাশয়. And this, when this pure soul, when come in contact with this matter body, then he starts to enjoy or suffer the consequences of his work, karma fall. যে পর্যন্ত এ দেহেতে জীবের সঙ্গতি, as long as soul remains within the body, চক্ষু কর্ণ নাসা জিহ্বা ত্বগাদি যারা স্পৃহা, that time this eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin, they will make tug of war, but with the soul, জীবেলে করে টানাটানি, they will tug of war with the soul. দেখো দেখো ভয়ঙ্কর জীবের দুর্গতি. Just see what is the predicament, how the soul has fallen in such a precarious condition. জীব চায় কৃষ্ণ ভজি, জীব wants to worship Krishna, but দেহ যারে যায়মতি শেষে জীব পাশরে আপনি. But unfortunately, though he wants to go to Krishna, but when he is cut up with his body, then he want to enjoy his body, then he forgets the ultimate goal of life, the going back to Godhead. আর কেন জীব জরে করবি সমর, ও লিভিং এন্টিটি, why unnecessarily fight in this material world? জড় দেহ বিসর্জন শুদ্ধ জীব প্রবোধন. Please give up this material body and try to go back to Godhead. সহজ সমাধি যোগে সাধক ক্রমে 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 জরাচ্যুত হইবে, ক্রমে ক্রমে জড়সত্ব হইবে অবশ্য. And when you worship Krishna, when you try to understand your eternal constitutional position, then gradually this the body will gradually lose it. And সিদ্ধ দেহ অনুগত করদেহ জরাশ্রিত পরমার্থ না হইবে বা। And if you practice in such a way, there will be no obstacle in going back to Godhead, this Paramartha, which is the ultimate goal of life. Hare Krishna. I think there is no more question. This is not too difficult. Thank you very much. Kalyan Kalpataruti. Jai Vishnu Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, Dandavat
Hare
Pranam.
Krishna, Prabhupada, Dandavat Pranam.